Hey Dirk, this is Daisy with Growth Mindset Marketing. I talked to the ladies in your office today. They said it would be okay to send you this email. I work with Growth Mindset Marketing, who is a marketing company who just popped up in Carson City, Nevada recently. I myself am a Carson City, Nevada native. We partner with businesses just like yours to help optimize your Google searches, optimize your pages, your social media content, that sort of thing, to get you more business, get you more calls, more clicks, and ultimately just help you grow. Today, I want to talk to you about your website, and I'm going to give you 3 tips that you could do yourself that I think will help rank you higher on Google against your competition. If you take a look at this video, you like what you see, you want to give me a call, that would be great. My number is in the email that I sent you this link in. If you see the video, you decide you want to try these things on your own, more power to you. Either way, if you would please respond to the email and give me some feedback so that I can better serve you or better serve other customers, please do that. So in order to not waste any more of your time, I just want to hit three main concepts today. And those are content on your page, backlinks on your page, and citations for your business. So as you can see, I've got some tabs up here. I used HVAC Northern Nevada as the search for what we're talking about today. You could really use any of the ones that apply to your business. Heating Northern Nevada, heating Reno, air conditioning Carson City, any of those, but the story is basically the same with my tips for your page. So here is your homepage. Now, typically, the way Google reads homepages, I would recommend 1,000 to 15 words for just this page. As you can see, we're not anywhere near that, but your services page is a lot closer. There's about 650 words on this page. Now, the reason why you want to add more content, even though it kind of feels like sometimes people don't read it, is Google does. And Google will recognize how much content you have, as well as how many keywords are within your content. So there are opportunities in every piece of wording here to hide keywords that help you pop up when somebody searches for it. If we take a look at your competition, their homepages are set up very similar. Nobody's got very many words, so I think some of that content would help boost you above them just sheerly because it's there and because you have some keywords in it. Lincoln Heating and Air is very similar. They have a little bit more content. They also have a much busier looking page. Personally, I prefer something that looks a little less busy. Then I also want to talk to you about backlinks. So I'm using a program called SEO Quake, basically just to show you. I also have a paid program that I use, but the tables are a lot harder to read. And I really only want to talk to you about these 2 points. This point right here called Google Index, and then this one over here called backlinks. So your Google Index is the number, is the index number. That's how Google ranks you, basically. The lower the number, the better your page reads on Google. Backlinks are all the links from outside your web page that link to your web page. Backlinks is directly related to your Google index, as well as content, keyword content, interlinks. So when your page links, when I click this and go to your services page and it takes me to a page within your website, those are also weighted. But some of the heaviest ones that you want to look out for are what are called backlinks, and these are pages that link back to your page. So what you'll notice about your 2 competitions that I have chosen here, Sierra Air and Lincoln Heating, Lincoln Heating and Air has 770 backlinks to their page. That means that 770 times there is another web page that links back to theirs. You have 171. Those are numbers that if we increase those, especially if we paired it with your content, would help you immediately rank directly against these guys, but as well as anyone else who falls on this page. Odds are, I could pull them all up, but odds are Paul's falls somewhere in that same range. Angie's a little bit different. Lincoln Heating, Build Zoom is not it either. Any of those, okay? The next thing I want to talk to you about, which is also helpful with backlinks, they create a backlink. It's not quite as weighted as if you were in like a Carson Now article, but citations. And citations are these sites that cite your business. Yellow pages, white pages, House, Home Advisor, those types of things. Yelp is also a good one. All of those would be included in these backlinks. So the more citations you can get, especially for a service business like yours, the higher your ranking will be, and the better off it looks, your page looks to Google, the more clicks you'll get. Yeah, so all in all, though, I will say I think you have a very aesthetically pleasing page. I like to look at it. I love that this bit down here is an FAQ, but it's directly to you. I think that's very personal. It's very nice. I just think that if you optimized a few things, if we added some content and added some keywords in there, Google would read it a little differently. We could get you some more citations. It would weigh your page heavier, get you some more backlinks. Those are all services that I'm willing to help you with. The citations, especially, you could go in and you could get on all those things. Yeah. So once again, those are the 3 things we talked about. This is Daisy with Growth Mindset Marketing. If you like what you heard today, please give me a call back. Even if you didn't, go ahead and give me a call back. I love feedback. I'd love to be able to serve you. I want to be able to serve this area better. Yeah, I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.